Good morning, everyone. Oh, I am sweating. It is so hot in my room. So today I am off to Durban. There's just a few things that I need to do. I'm off to my cousin's baby shower. So yeah, very exciting. So I need to go buy a gift right now and do a few things at the bank. Then I need to come back and pack and then catch my flight. So you guys are going to be following me around today. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, no. Wrong way. I was going on the wrong side of the escalators. I was trying to get up on them and they were going down. Oh my gosh. So embarrassed. Okay, no one saw me. It's fine. Okay. Up we go. I am so late, guys. It's 3 o'clock. Okay, I see it. I was saying it's 3 and I have to leave the house at 4. But it takes like 20 minutes to get to my house from Santon, so all the best, and I still need to pack. Okay, so here are the bottles, but I'm looking for the bigger set. Oh, here it is. Yes, I'm gonna get this, and then looking for, maybe you can get this cute baby feeding bulb. Oh, my sister was saying she should get a bath mat. Looking for a bath mat. Wow, there's so much baby stuff. I'm so overwhelmed right now. Oh yes, here they are. Very cute. Alrighty. You can come through. Alright. I'm so happy I got free parking because I was only here for like what, 15 minutes. So okay, let's go home. So this is a mess right now. Let me just start packing. I keep forgetting this code, okay? Good. So okay, so let's do this, people. Thank you. I am boarding at gate 5. So yeah. It's been a minute since I took a flight. The last time I was on a flight was actually September last year when I was going to Cape Town. Man, that was a good trip. Really good. So yeah, my cousin doesn't know that I'm actually going to surprise her at the baby shower. But don't worry, I'm not that typical person who does not RSVP. So I did RSVP to her friend, and then I just told her to like keep it hush hush under wraps. So yeah.
Request that you pay attention to this as it does not only concern your safety but also safety of the passengers and crew around you. Taking off on event 0 East direction of runway 07. Series of departure turns will route us overhead over Tambo in the Johannesburg city centre towards Durban, climbing to a cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. Flight time estimated at 1 hour. Smooth flight conditions forecast, but we do request that you do, as we do in the cockpit, when all seated, please remain in the seat belts as possible. Durban at a time of arrival 25 degrees Celsius, clear skies, brilliant day outside. I'll speak to you again in flight with some more flight details. Please sit back, relax, and do flight with us.
Hopefully I find my bags. Fruit punch. Yes. I go for night taste the fruit punch.
This is missing my eyes. Nah, Mayo, Machola. Ela, I feel like
Yo, they were ready.
I prefer my stupid man.
I'm done.
None.
Hey, boy. xoxo. Hey guys, this is me closing out the video. I really forgot to close it out yesterday while I was still in Durban. I arrived this morning at like 4:45. I took a bus because I was too late for the plane and it was a bit expensive for me. So but it was a rather quick trip and I traveled safely. The baby shower was beautiful. I'm so happy for my cousin. She was surprised to see me there, but she was happy as well. And I just can't wait to meet the baby. I'm really excited. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Akona Loliwe. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting me. If you guys would like to do the same, all you have to do is hit the red button that says subscribe down below. Also click the bell so you are notified of every time I post a new video, which is every single week. I love you guys. May your day be ever flawless as you make up. Mwah.